You want how much? That's preposterous. What kind of shady Bubs business you running here anyways? A Bubsness? Why, I've got half a mind to report you, mister.
All right, I'm back.
Oh, nothing.
Who were you just talking to?
Nobody. Everybody. Strong. Mad.
Strong man was up here? Where'd he go?
Bubsy, I'm not gonna lie to you. He flew away.
Homestar, did you come up here for a reason?
Freedom.
What?
Liberty. I mean, savings. Milk. Eggs. A low-priced automobile.
Well, why didn't you say so? I got one right here. Just in, fresh from the factory goodness.
Bubs, are you trying to sell me a lemon?
Homestar, I'm not gonna lie to you. You're not gonna find a better deal.
Sold! Sold! Sold!